Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll discuss about functions. So what is meant by function? A function is nothing but it is a block of code where it is run only when it is called. So if you call a function, then the block of code will be executed. So that is the meaning of a function. And function can take parameters, n number of parameters it can take. Let's see. First, we'll write a function. Let's say def func. Will not give any parameter as of now. We'll just give just a function there with no parameters. So let's print. What should I print? Hari is a programmer. Hari is a programmer. So I've given a function named as func and have printed something here which is a string. Hari is a programmer. So I want to run this function. So can I directly run it? Let's see what happens. So it is showing nothing here. So what I have said, functions are executed only when they are called. So we have to call a function now. So I'm giving a variable here first, a equal to func. So it is simple. We have to give a variable and you have to give the same function which you have given here. Same function with same brackets. That's it. You have to print now. So if you save it and run, you can see Hari is a programmer and it is showing none. So let's see why it is showing none, because you have given here print, because most of the programmers use return instead of print. That is a good way of writing the code actually. So let's give it as return. We'll remove these brackets. It's a good way of using return instead of print. Let's see now. See, it is showing only Hari is a programmer. It is not showing none. So this is a best practice to use return keyword here. So this is how you write a normal function. So let's see how the parameters are inserted into a function. Let's comment this out, or let's use this same function. So here I'm giving some parameters like a comma b. Okay, let's remove all these things. So I want to return a plus b or a into b, anything a into b. So I have given two parameters here which are a and b. So what in these two parameters you are inserting, you need to insert a number, right? Where you will need to insert the number, you have to insert the number inside this function. Where you are calling the function, you have to insert the integers. Okay, let's say 7 comma 5. So what it does mean, here 7 will go into this a and 5 will go into this b. So that is how it is. These integers are allocated into this parameters. Okay, so let's see. The answer should be 35. 7 5 is a 35. Let's see what the answer will be. Okay, first I'll clear all these things and run it in a new terminal. Yeah, see, you are getting 35, right? So this is how you give parameters within the function. So if you want to give n number of parameters, more parameters if you want to give, so how you will be writing? There are two things in the function like args and kwargs. So first we will see what are args. Okay, so args are nothing but non-keyword arguments, and quarks are keyword arguments. Let's see what are args. Okay, first we'll see what are args. Let's comment this out and we'll create a new function, func1. Here function name can be anything. You need not be confused about this. You can give any name. Suppose num. I'll give num. You can give anything. So that is not a problem. So if you want to, so we are seeing args, right? So these are args. So if you want to give n number of parameters, you use args. So in args, if we give n number of parameters, in return it will give us the output as a tuple. In the form of tuple, it will give as an output. So let's see how you will be writing the parameters using args. First, you have to give this asterisk and any parameter b or c, anything. Okay, I'm giving it as c. Okay, now return c. Okay, result equal to. So here also I'm giving a variable and I'm calling the function num, and here you can see asterisk c colon any tuple. So if you give any n number of parameters, it will give the output as tuple. That is showing this in VS Code. It is showing it as showing this as a tuple, right? Okay, let's type n number of parameters. You can give n number of parameters here. So let's see the output. The output, it will return it as tuple. Okay, let's print it out. Print result. See, it is returning tuple. So this is a very good advantage of using args, where you can give n number of parameters just by placing an asterisk before a parameter. Okay, so it will return a tuple here like this. Okay, this is how we use args, and let's see what are quarks here. Quarks, let's see, we'll give a function num1, and here quarks we have to give two asterisk and a parameter. Suppose okay, we'll give it as a return a. Okay, now result 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 1 equal to num1 function, and here you can see it is showing it as dict. So here what we have to do is we have to give name colon name equal to Vinay. Next place equal to, okay, place equal to Hyderabad. Age equal to 29. So I'm giving some data here. So this in Quarks, what will happen is if you are giving some data here, it will be converted into a dictionary. When you execute this whole code from here to here, The whole code will be converted into a dictionary because of Kwargs, keyword arguments. In the name itself, it is like a keyword arguments. Okay, so it will convert this name, place, age into a keyword arguments, keyword key value pair, as we call in a dictionary, key values. Yeah. So let's print result one, and it will return a dictionary. It will return a dictionary. Let's see here. See, it is returning a key value data here. This is a key and this is a value. Okay, so this is how functions work. This is more than enough for defining a function. Yeah, this is how quarks and keyword arguments and non-keyword arguments work. Thank you for watching this video.